showing you the shadows of black on the outer ring, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. I love this stainless steel because it has like a two-tone finishing. Hello everyone, my name is Peter and I'll be giving you a tour video of this Patek 5167. This one's a 2012 all stainless steel. Let's go ahead and show you this watch. So I'm going to open this box up. Here we have the classic Patek cloth that's covering the box. Opening this up, we do have the watch right here. This is a beautiful Aquanaut with the stainless steel strap, looking absolutely gorgeous. I love this stainless steel because it has like a two-tone finishing, so high polish on the outer and brushed on the inner, but it's absolutely super clean. I love this gray dial. It really pops out, showing you the shadows of black on the outer ring, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. This is one of my favorite Pateks. It's just because it's like super thin. When you have this watch on your wrist, you won't even notice it. And it's super classy with that stainless steel. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you this in better condition. So let's go ahead and show you this bottom angle. Beautiful. Here we have the bottom left angle. But yeah, this is by far one of my favorite Pateks. This one in the black dial too is just super nice. Even the blue dials are really cool. It's just absolutely beautiful. This watch is really, really nice. This gray really pops out and just matches really well with that beautiful stainless steel. As you can see, here's the crown side. And for being like over a decade old, it's still in very good condition. Here you go, here's the buckle. And then you open it with these two pushers. Here we have the Patek Philippe logo. And we do have this case back in stunning condition. As you can see, very beautiful. Now we can go over the functions of the watch. Here we have the screw down crown. So once it's screwed out and it pops out, you can manually wind the watch here. What this does, it just gives power to the power reserve. That way you charge it up. And then once you pull it out all the way, you can go ahead and change the hands. And going to the 12th position, it does change the date. So let's go ahead and change it to the 6:30 position to move the dates. And as you can see, they all beautifully flow down. Another function this watch has, it does have a lume function. So let me go ahead and turn off the light and show you this lume. Under the black light, it does show the numbers, which is really neat. I love like watches that actually show the numbers, because honestly, like, it's easier to read, like especially in the nighttime, and especially if those numbers do glow up. It's just so convenient. You could literally tell time in the dark, which is crazy. So here we have this folio of the Patek Philippe. Here we do have this certificate of origin. Looks like does have some aging to it, which is cool. It's crazy to think that like 2012 watches are now considered vintage. Crazy. Here's the collector's library booklet. It just gives you information about the brand and the different type of watches they do. Here's the actual manual of the watch. So that's nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.